Right around the corner, allergies seem to be bothering a lot of us here in Arkansas. Earlier, allergy forecast projecting us to be in the high category for pollen counts. 5 News reporter Micah Wilson live in Bentonville. Micah, allergy season has already begun.
Darren, is only in the beginning stages and it will last until about June, which many are not looking forward to because with allergies come their symptoms, which include a runny or a stuffy nose, sneezing, coughing, itching, and watery eyes. And here in Arkansas, the main cause for these symptoms are trees, grass, and ragweed. Now, Dr. Tina Merritt with the Allergy and Asthma Clinic of Northwest Arkansas tells me allergy season will stay at its peak until about June. And if you're looking for ways to take preventative measures against your allergies, she suggests that you take over-the-counter medicine and says for kids it's best to do that in the morning because that's when pollen counts are at their highest. Now, allergists say they are already busy with patients.
This time of year, what we're dealing with is tree pollen. That's what's happening right now, and that's what's keeping my clinic super busy.
Right now, a lot of people are getting out and enjoying this beautiful weather, but they need to be mindful of using tick spray and preventing the tick bites.
Now, she says ticks are associated with a specific type of allergies, and during this nice weather that we are enjoying, many want to get out during spring break and throughout the year, but she wants to remind you that those ticks and insects do, and so they want to protect yourself by spraying it yourself. For now, we're live here in Bentonville, covering news where you live. Mike Wilson, 5 News.
He told